Hey, what's up guys? My name is Gabe and this is Games with Gabe.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Gabe and this is Games with Gabe. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Gabe and this is Games with Gabe. Hey guys, what's up? Hey guys, what's up? Hey guys, what's up? Hey guys, what's up? Hey guys, what's up?
We just hit 2,000 subscribers, okay? We hit 1,000 3 months ago, and before that, it took me a year and a half to get to 1,000. So this is absolutely insane, and thank you so much. I am really happy, and hopefully we can shoot for 5,000 next. That'd be pretty cool. Anyways, how's it going, guys? My name is Gabe, and this is Games with Gabe, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the plans I have for the channel's future. So, what's in store? Well, right now I'm working on some C++ episodes. C++ for Java developers, C# developers. C++ is a huge language, and there is a lot of confusion about what parts of it you should use, what parts of it you shouldn't. And so I'm going to sort of step through the basics with a 10-episode series, going through how C works, which is the basis of C++, and then going through how C++ extends on that. Then we're going to have an intermediate series, which is also going to be 10 episodes. This will start to delve into some of the more complicated C++ topics, such as templates, classes, virtual inheritance, all that stuff, virtual tables, how objects are laid out in memory. And we're going to take a look at all that. And then we'll have more of an advanced C++ series, which talks about things like shared pointers and more advanced topics. C++ is growing. There's a huge amount of stuff going into it, and you have to sort of be on your toes all the time to keep up with all the changes that are happening to it. And then I'm going to go over, lastly, sort of what I think you should use in C++, because there are so many different features in the language, and a lot of it is just sort of extra stuff that I think you don't really need. So we'll talk about all of that, and then hopefully get a firm grounding in C++. The reason I want to transition to more of a C++ channel is because it is difficult to develop in Java for game engines. Okay, there's a lot of libraries and stuff that we use, things like FreeType, IMGUI, Box2D. These are all written in C++. And once you start introducing native bindings and stuff, it's harder to do things. As I've been writing more and more tutorials that go into more specific topics, such as the scene hierarchy panel and stuff like that, it's getting a little bit more difficult to code that in Java. And I don't want to be restricted by the language, right? I want to be able to just code, not have to worry about the language hindering us in that process. Now, I'm not going to stop the 2D game engine series, but I'm going to transition to more topical videos. So I'll talk about the approach to solving a solution rather than giving explicit code. It's just the code isn't worth it for me anymore in Java. Now, I am working on my personal engine, Cocoa Engine. Right now, I've just made some significant progress, and the engine is going really good. You can basically build games in it now. And I really like the way it's turned out in C++, and I've made a lot of changes to how I started in Java to how I've transitioned to C++. Another big thing that's easy to do in C, but not so easy in Java, entity component system, a true entity component system. And I would love to go over that topic and tell you guys about how that actually works. And then once we get to more advanced topics too, I eventually want to write a scripting language for my engine. And I would love to go over how languages work with you guys and to explain how to write one. But you need to know C and you need to know C++ to do that stuff, because you need more control over the memory, and it's not that hard to do. It can be scary at first, but I want to make it easy for you as a Java developer or a C# developer or even Python developer to transition into C++ without getting hung up on pointers and memory addresses and memory allocation and all that stuff, because it doesn't have to be difficult. So I am very excited for the channel's future. Like I said, Java 2D Game Engine series is going to switch to more topical solutions rather than explaining code step-by-step solutions. Let me know what you think of that. I have a feeling a lot of you aren't going to like that too much, and I'm sorry, but I feel like it's gotten to a point where you should be able to take it and run with it on your own, and hopefully we can talk about actual code solutions written in C and C++ for these things that I am solving. One last thing that I would like to mention is my brother has a channel on YouTube as well, and he has 800, I think almost 900 subscribers. He's really close to 1,000. What he does is typically Let's Plays with Minecraft, and he does build tutorials and all sorts of stuff. So if you enjoy watching Minecraft type series, I really enjoy Hermitcraft, and his videos are really good. My brother's. He doesn't do Hermitcraft, but he does do Minecraft Let's Plays with his friends and everything. And his editing is really good. His builds are really cool. And he has a great personality. So if you enjoy that type of stuff, click on this little channel icon and hit subscribe. Check out some of his videos. It would be awesome if he could get to 1,000. And I just need like 200 of you to do that if you're interested. If you're not interested in it, don't worry about it. But if you do like the Minecraft videos, totally check that out. I would really appreciate it. He would really appreciate it. And that would be really cool to see. Anyways, that is it for this little episode. Thank you again for 2,000 subscribers. And we doubled in size in 3 months. Like, this is insane, guys. Thank you so much. And I will see you in the next episode, which will hopefully be the beginning of the C++ series. All right, guys. I'll see you then. Thanks.